Hot stock Trulieve lower today after Q1 results, a company falling short of revenue estimates but benefiting from record 420 sales and cost-cutting initiatives. The report comes as the Senate Banking Committee is set to take up a key piece of legislation that the cannabis industry views as a financial lifeline. Joining us to discuss all of this is Trulieve CEO Kim Rivers. Kim, always great to see you.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Pricing has always been an issue, or has been a real issue in recent quarters, and I'm wondering what you're seeing going on. I mean, I know that you're more insulated from the pressure in wholesale pricing, but there is a sort of a knock-on effect. I mean, if those prices go lower, branded prices also feel the pressure. So what are you experiencing right now?
Yeah, so I mean, we're certainly seeing continued pressure on wallet, which has continued from last year, and we're seeing some trade down as consumers shift to the value segment. Certainly, that's our fastest growing segment across our portfolio. But I think the good news for cannabis is that we did have record-breaking traffic and transactions for 420. We sold over 386,000 units that day, and so demand is still strong. But we are certainly, as a cash business, we are certainly continuing to see some wallet pressure happening across the country, along with some price compression, for sure.
Hey, Kim, it's Tim. And clearly no question about demand in the cannabis space. It's really more about profitability. Some of it that's very structural within the cannabis industry, some of it related to the illicit markets, some of it just related to companies' balance sheets. Congrats on being someone that has more flexibility than most in the cannabis space in terms of your balance sheet, in terms of your ability to actually generate operating, free cash flow from operations. How do you see that in the next 12 to 18 months playing out for Trulieve? Can you play offense here? I know your CapEx budget's been cut significantly. That's mostly as just a function of projects kind of running their course and actually now being in a position to see new supply come online. But as someone that's in the middle of this industry and invest in it as well, I kind of think it's a great time for companies with strong balance sheets to play offense.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think, look, having optionality at Trulieve has been a key differentiator for us as long as we've been in business. Being in a situation where we are, able to eat what we kill also is really key for us. And that's certainly something that we're continuing to focus on. To your point, Tim, we have spent, significant resources in building out our supply chain in advance of Catalyst. I mean, we've also are investing in Florida, for example, the ballot initiative there, which we've crossed enough signatures, over 1 million signatures for placement on the ballot, assuming Supreme Court approval, which will be a major catalyst for us with over 40% of that market right now, and continuing to invest, obviously, in stores and our retail footprint there ahead of that coming online. That being said, to your point, I think that the opportunity set as it relates to potential tech and strategic acquisitions remains interesting. I think it's going to get more interesting over the next 12 to 18 months as we see debt come due and access to capital continue to be more sparse for other companies in both private and public settings.
Do you have a lot of lobbyists in Washington right now, Kim?
We do.
Working
Not enough.
the banking industry to the cannabis industry?
Mm-hmm. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We're very excited about the hearing tomorrow. As you noted, Melissa, tomorrow is a historic day in that we will have a Senate hearing on safe banking and expect to hopefully have a markup come out of that hearing, which would put safe banking on the floor for a vote, or scheduled, actually teed up for a floor vote, which, of course, has not happened to date. We have passed, and safe banking has passed the House numerous times, but to have it originate with bipartisan support from the Senate would be really important. Again, as a reminder, safe banking would provide safe harbor for banking and financial institutions to be able to bank cannabis. It potentially could lead to having cash out of our dispensaries, so a more safe environment, and really a critical tool for access to capital, particularly for small and diverse businesses. So it's really going to be important if we can get that across the finish line.